topic, the theme of the seminar is of interest to people from all fields of development. And the first session itself begins with early childhood education. So unless we are successful in early childhood education, we can't have a successful university student. So I think we are starting the session with the requirement for the country is best education to begin with in the early stages so that they become really interested in education and their contribution to the society. Early childhood education has gone through several changes, both in terms of knowledge perception and also implementation and execution. We have very little data on how the early childhood was handled by the mothers in terms of real documentation, I'm saying. Here and there are some papers written by experts, but I think it's only in the 1950s onwards, really psychologists, educationists, child development experts, teachers, and government as such took interest in streamlining early childhood education and developing a system of offering education to the children, designing schools, designing structures, designing curriculum for teachers, etc. And from that time onwards, a lot of changes have been taking place, both in terms of infrastructure, in training, concepts, age at which the child should begin education. But in terms of Indian context, they say right from pregnancy, development begins. The development starts immediately after conception. We have several proofs for that. But as early as the age of 2-3 years in the Western system, they started formal system from the age of 2-3. In terms of Indian concept, we don't have much information between the 2 and 3 years, but we do have 16 samskaras which are outlined in our books, philosophies, and even those 16, some of them are taken very light, some of them have lost meanings, some of them have not even been heard by some mothers. So I think it's more, I don't know whether we are following the Western or the Indian. We are neither following this or that, strictly speaking. That's because we don't have much research, evidence to show how these 16 samskaras have to be practiced and how it is being practiced and so on. But whatever it is, contextually speaking, we have to meet the present day situation of the children, their education, how the education should be streamlined, how the curriculum should be streamlined, how the teachers should be, what should be the environment in which the child should be educated.